A very good morning to you children. Welcome back in your maths class. Children, hope all are fine. Okay, let's begin today's class. Today we will go through new chapter number 10, geometry. Okay, children, this is your last chapter in maths. Okay children, now in this chapter we will learn about solid shapes. So let's begin. Children, in class first you have learnt about plane shapes. Okay, for example, a square, rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. Okay, now in this class we will learn about solid shapes. Okay, but before starting it children, you should know about what is the difference between solid shapes and plane shapes. Okay, okay children, let's understand it. Children, here you can see I have drawn two pictures. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so what is the difference between them? Here in this one, here you can see that in this picture we have length and width. Okay, what you can see here length and width you can see here. So this is the example of plane shape. Okay, in this picture here we have length, width as well as height, lambai, chaudai and uchai. Okay, this is the example of solid shape. Okay, clear? Here a piece of paper, here you can see that a piece of paper is there. Okay, here in this paper there is length and width, okay, is there. So it is example of plane shape. And here in this box, here you can see that it has length, width as well as height also. Okay, so this is the example of solid shape. Okay, okay children, now in this class let's start with our first topic, that is cube. The first solid shape is cube. Okay, children, you have seen that the example of cube in your daily life. Dice you have seen that you used to play in Ludo, or ice cube or sugar cube. These are the example of the cube. Okay, so now let's learn about the properties of cube. Okay, children, this here you can see here I have one box here. It look like a cube. Okay, now here in this box you can see here it has some plane surfaces. This one, this one, this one, that one. Okay, so these are what they are called. They are called faces. What they are called? Faces. Okay, these are, here you can see that all are in square shape. Okay, these are the faces of cube. Okay, so let's count how many faces are there. That is 1 at top, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the back side 6. How many faces are there? 6 faces are there. Okay, here you count 1, 2, 3, 4. One is at front side, one is at back side, 5 and 6. Okay, so these are called face. Okay, now here you can see that faces are joining by some line. Okay, here this face and this face are joining by one line. What it is called? It is called edge. What it is called? Edge. Here you can see that this line is called edge. Okay, here you can see that this face and this face is joining by this line. Okay, this is called edge. Okay, this side. Okay, so now let's count how many edges are there. That is at top 1, 2, 3, 4. At bottom 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 9, 10. This one 11 and this one 12. Okay, how many edges? That is 1, 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges are there? 12. So you write here edge. Okay. Now after that edges are meeting at some point. Okay. Here you can see that. Okay. Here this edge, this one and this one are meeting at some point. Okay. This point is called corner. What it is called? It is called corner. So let's count how many corners are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 at top and here at Okay, let's count how many corners are there. There are at top 1, 2, 3, 4 at top, and at bottom 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of corners are how many? They are 8. Okay, here you can see that number of corners, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, where edges are meeting, that is called corners. Okay. Okay children, our next solid shape is cuboid. Okay, here the figure is cuboid. Now I have a box which look like a cuboid shape. Okay. Now children, in our daily life, some example of cuboid are like brick, copy. Okay, I have one copy, you can see here, it is look like a cuboid. Okay, so these are the example of cuboid. Now let's we learn about the properties of cuboid. Here children, as cube, you know about some plane faces, plane surfaces are there. Okay, here you can see that. What is this called? It is called face. Okay, so how many faces are there? Here are like cube, there are 6 faces. Okay, you count 1, 2, back side 3, that side 4, bottom 5, top 6. How many faces are there? 6 faces. So you count here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. One is front side and one is back side. Okay, so how many faces are there? 6 faces. So this is called face. Okay, and here you can see that children, here the faces are in different shape. Okay, here the opposite side of faces are same. Here you can see that this one and this one back side are same, and this one and this one are same. Okay, this is called the rectangle shape. What it is called? Rectangle shape. Through a piece of paper you can understand it. The shape of rectangle, that is here the opposite sides are equal. This side and this sides are equal, and this side and this side are equal. Okay, this is rectangle shape. You can see that all sides are not equal like a square or like this one like cube. Okay, here the two opposite sides are equal. Okay, here this one and that one. Okay, here this one and this one. Clear? These are in rectangle shape. Now the line which are joining two faces, that face, this is called edge. What it is called? Edge. Okay, so let's count how many edges are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, okay, at bottom 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, turn it 11, here 12. Okay children, let's count how many edges are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and one more 12. Okay, like cube, it has also 12 edges. Okay, so this one edge. What is this? This is edge. Okay, now what is left here? Here the edges are meeting at point, that is called corner, as I taught you in cube. Okay, how many corners are there? You count 1, 2, 3, 4 at top, and here 5, 6, 7, 8. How many corners? You count here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, where edges are meeting, here you can see that here 1, 2 and 3 edges are meeting here. So it is called corner. Okay children, you have understood what is the difference between cube and cuboid. Cube, here the faces of cube are of square shape, and here the face of cuboid is of rectangle shape. Okay. Okay children, now I will give you PDF where I have drawn picture of cube and cuboid and I have written the properties of them. So you have to make the drawing and you have to write down their properties in your mass pair copy. Okay. So now this was your today's class. See you again in next class. Till then, bye, thank you, and take care of yourself.